Hey there, AscendTMS gang. It's your favorite AscendTMS guru, Cam, coming at you live, well, recorded live, with an AscendTMS release highlight. We're going to cover the past few releases over the last 30 days or so, because we know you're too busy sipping Mai Tais listening to Island Chill Radio to read those pesky release notes that come out. But enough of all that, let's go ahead and get right into these wonderful new features, enhancement, and fixes. Okay, so in load management now, when copying or building loads from a template, it will ensure the entities are valid and active. We also made the load creation date visible on load info and load management screen, as well as added a temperature column to the load management table. Next up, we have a new integration with the wonderful team at Shipper CRM to help you find more freight fast. AscendTMS has also added a new AWE rule to prevent the carrier from being added on a load if the tax ID is missing. Reporting got the ability to search by user role. The equipment drop-down list is now always visible on EDI loads, and Ascend Smart Tender no longer requires the carrier on the rate confirmation to be processed. We also made some fixes to MCP, resolved an issue in load management where the last contact wasn't updating correctly. We also fixed a few issues in document management, and squashed a few other pesky gremlins as well. A link of the full release notes will be in the description below if you want to read them, that is. Well, that pretty much sums it up for us here at AscendTMS. We are working diligently around the clock to get you the features you ask us for and make the changes you need to make your day smooth sailing. Make sure you're subscribed to our YouTube channel to get your release highlights monthly, as well as our other training, how-to, and announcements the day that they happen. If you have any questions or want to schedule some training with our amazing support team members to learn any of these new features or enhancements, feel free to email us at support@inmotionglobal.com.